Hi everyone, you're watching Cooking at the Brown Chef. I'm gonna show you how to make the caramel sauce today. It's just very simple. We have only two ingredients, 100 gram of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. So get a flat pan and heat it up first. So my pan is hot. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add sugar, 100 gram of sugar. Just give a little mix. Then add the 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it properly. Make sure you don't let it burn, especially the corners. Make sure you keep stirring up. Just mix it roughly, don't keep stirring it, otherwise it won't come up as you want. So as you see, this needs to be brownish color, golden brownish color. That's how it's supposed to be. So as you see, it's getting there now. As you see the corner. So as you see, it's getting there. So make sure you do not touch this one. It's really hot. It's gonna burn your hand, as you can't even imagine how it's hot. See guys, this is the caramel sauce. So I'm gonna pour out into the cups now. It's really hot. So this is the caramel sauce. That's how we do the caramel sauce. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye, thanks.